Hold back. To stop someone or something from moving forward. The dam was not strong enough to hold back the floodwaters. The police were unable to hold back the crowd. Hold back. To stop yourself from expressing how you really feel. The boss couldn't hold back his anger any longer. She kept trying to hold back her tears. Run over. To hit someone or something with a vehicle and drive over them. I was nearly run over by a truck today. He was run over and killed by a bus. Freak out. To shock or panic. To become very anxious, angry, or afraid. When I saw a snake while I was having a shower, I freaked out. People just freaked out when they heard the news. Put together. To assemble something by joining its parts or pieces. It took several hours to put the puzzle together. He has more money than the rest of us put together. Show off. To do something to get attention or admiration. Young boys show off in order to impress girls. She was showing off her new clothes at the party. Turn down. To reject or refuse an offer, a proposal, etc. He asked her to marry him, but she turned him down. He turned down the job because the pay was too low. Turn down. To reduce the noise, heat, etc. Would you turn down your radio a little? I asked him to turn down the heating. Answer back. To reply in a rude way. Don't answer back when your parents talk to you. Don't answer back to the elders, it's not polite. Choke back. You force yourself not to show your emotion. I choked back my tears because I didn't want to cry. I choked back my anger. Wipe out. To destroy or demolish. To remove or erase. Whole villages were wiped out by the earthquake. You can never wipe out the past.